Welcome to this short Muladhara root chakra meditation to awaken and reconnect with the part of you that has that deep sense and worthiness to receive abundance in all areas of your life. The Muladhara chakra is your foundational energetic foundation. When it's awakened, you feel balanced, safe, secure, and deserving of receiving abundance in all areas of your life. So let's connect to that part of your being that is deserving of receiving all of the abundance in the universe. Find a comfortable meditation posture and rest your hands in a comfortable position on your knees or in your lap. Then, if you're ready to do so, just gently close your eyes and then become aware of your whole body in your meditation posture. And then shift your attention to the base of your meditation posture. And just feel a deep sense of safety and security and being supported by Mother Earth. I invite you just to shift your attention to the natural flow of your breath as it flows in and out at the nostril. Then with your next breath, just guide your awareness to the point between your two eyebrows. This is your Aana chakra, the center for your wisdom, intuition, and the space of knowing that you are very safe and secure and grounded. From this space, I invite you now to shift your attention to the base of your spine and visualize a red, glowing ball of rich positive energy. Then I'd like you to imagine that positive energy is growing roots into the ground, supporting you, the strong foundation of stability, safety, and security. And imagine your body is like a large tree, stable and strong, connecting deeply with the rich energy of the earth. And then we'll start to breathe in into every cell of our body from the base. Confidence, security, and deservingness to receive the abundance of the universe into every cell of the body. And as you breathe out, just release anything no longer serves you. And then breathe in confidence, a deep sense of knowing that you are enough, you are worthy, and you deserve to receive. Then breathe out, releasing any fear or tension. And then affirm after me. I am safe. I am grounded. I am strong. And I am ready to receive all of the abundance in the universe. I am grounded. I am safe. I am strong. And I am worthy of receiving all of the abundance that the universe has to offer me. I am grounded. I am strong. I am supported. I am deserving to receive all of the abundance the world has to offer me. Feel these words infused into every cell of your being and repeat these affirmations or your own affirmations now. Well done. Just slowly return our awareness to the breath and the point between the two eyebrows, the Aana chakra, the control center. And just with a sense of knowing that you are home, you are supported, you belong, and you deserve to receive all of the abundance in the universe. I invite you to slowly come back to becoming aware of your physical body and the connection with the earth that is supporting and providing everything for you. We'll slowly return. Grounded, safe, secure, and ready to receive the abundance in the quantum field and the universe.